When Moses Sikhakhane and I were arrested and were convicted on charges of possession of arms, ammunition, and explosive. Before that, we were interrogated by a member of the special branch who later became a member of crime intelligence as appointed by Jacob Zuma.
Sure.
And who am I talking about? Mdluli. But of course, Mdluli has denied that he was part of the apartheid special branch. But he was. We were interrogated.
Greetings to everyone, fellow South Africans. Tomorrow, the 7th, the ad hoc committee begins its work on the allegations of General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. And among others, it's a very controversial matter of the loss of life of Nathi Mthethwa. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. We all know by now that Nathi Mthethwa has lost his life, and he was listed as one of the possible witnesses to the ad hoc committee. And it is very, very interesting because many of the people were saying Jacob Zuma is not involved into Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi losing his job as the acting national commissioner around 2011. And others claim he was responsible and Jacob Zuma failed to protect Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. And the question will be, was Nathi Mthethwa sent over by Jacob Zuma to stop Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi in going further in regard to actions against Richard Mdluli, whom many claim was apartheid spy and allegedly and was the closest friend to Jacob Zuma. As a result, it possibly means Jacob Zuma have chosen Richard Mdluli over Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. And we all know that only the president of the country can remove a national commissioner. In his testimony, Dumisani Khumalo is on record saying Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi was removed in 2011. He was removed. The question is Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi trying to hide the role that Jacob Zuma played in him losing his position? And will Julius Malema be able to ask Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi and any other witness in that regard into whether Jacob Zuma was involved into getting rid of Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi on the position? It's gonna start very hot, and we expect to hear what will be the final position in regard to whether Jacob Zuma was involved or not, and whether it is true Richard Mdluli had to be protected. It's unfortunate that our brother Nathi Mthethwa will not be around to give his side of the story in that regard. Please know that it cannot be a sensation and perception that we might say Nathi Mthethwa lost life based on the fact that he was supposed to testify on the commission and or the ad hoc committee. That's not what we must try to align with. The man had his life onto many different matters, and that could not only be aligned to this one. But we are expecting fireworks when the commission started, and we will see if many people will be able to isolate Sello Julius Malema from Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. As we all know, even at JSE, strong and challenging questions that he asked, we expect him to explode, taking into consideration that he was still in the ANC around that period, leading to the 2012 ANC National Conference, of which Jacob Zuma and Cyril Ramaphosa became the president and deputy president. Let us wait and see how it goes. Thanks, everyone.